Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make a shamrock shake. For this recipe, you're going to need 4 big scoops of vanilla ice cream, a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 teaspoon of peppermint extract, and about 6 drops of green food coloring. Blend this for about 30 seconds. Now, I've tested this recipe with milk and with heavy cream, and my favorite is the heavy cream. It just makes it so much nicer and thicker and creamier. But no big deal, if you don't have that, you can always just use the milk. If you love peppermint, you're going to love this one. I'm going to top it off with some whipped cream and a sweet little cherry on top. And my straw, of course. There you go, that was so easy to make and so good. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.